Hello, Roosevelt. I'm excited to come to you via video message as we conclude our celebration of Black History Month. Throughout Black History Month, Roosevelt students had the opportunity to learn about historical figures and explore traditions through a variety of activities, including door decorating contests, assemblies, guest speakers, and classroom lessons. Several of our schools are named after influential Black leaders and community members, including Bernard Black, Maxine O. Cloves Campbell, John R. Davis, Curtis O. Greenfield, Martin Luther King Jr., and Percy L. Julian. The Reverend Dr. Bernard Black was the pastor of the South Phoenix Baptist Church since 1965. He earned doctorate degrees in divinity and theology, served in World War II with the Navy, was a home builder, and was a 33rd degree Mason. Maxine O. taught in the Roosevelt School District from 1966 until her passing in 1985. She taught at Palmdale, now known as the Brooks Academy, Kennedy, and Greenfield. 2 years after her death, Bush School became the first in the district named in honor of a Roosevelt teacher. Cloves Campbell Sr. was a politician and newspaper operator. He and his brother Charles took over the Arizona Informant in 1969, which his son still runs today. In 1966, he became the first African American to serve as a member of the Arizona Senate and introduced a bill to recognize Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday as a state holiday in 1971. John R. Davis served as a Phoenix police officer for 12 years as part of the South Mountain Crime Resistance Unit. Sadly, he and his partner Ignacio Conchos were killed in the line of duty in July of 1982. We are proud to carry on his legacy and educate the next generation of community leaders. Dr. Curtis O. Greenfield worked here in Roosevelt for 29 years, where he was principal at Percy L. Julian. He was also an Army chaplain during World War II, a member of Alpha Phi Alpha fraternity, and served in many civic organizations in Phoenix, including the Urban League. The Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. fought for equality and civil rights for all throughout his adult life. Dr. King's efforts as a leader during the height of the civil rights movement was instrumental in changing the cultural landscape of America for the better. His dream lives on in our Roosevelt students, staff, families, and community. Percy L. Julian was a steroid chemist and an entrepreneur. Through his research, he discovered how to create important medical compounds from abundant plants, making them more affordable to mass produce. He received more than 130 chemical patents and was one of the first African Americans to receive a doctorate in chemistry. As a school district deeply rooted in the South Phoenix community, we are proud to honor and recognize the contributions and influence of Black Americans to the United States. We hope you, our Roosevelt family, had the chance to partake in the month-long celebration as well. As always, Roosevelt, be well and be bold. Thank you.